On 93, and you can count like 50 convertibles that whiz by you, and all the guys on their motorcycles now, they're all coming out of the garage. And
it's so great.
I know.
Today I was at Public Garden, and all these people are out in their swimsuits laying on the grass, and I'm like, oh, AJ, what a day.
Now, I drive a black car, and I was driving down close to 93 today, and I looked down and it says 93, and I said, since when does my temperature gauge tell me what route number I'm crossing near? It was actually 93 degrees on the car thermometer. Yeah, it was a black car. It is a black car. It's probably a little cooler than that, but lots of you making it up to near 90 degrees today, believe it or not. You skipped right over the 80-degree mark. It's still warm in Boston, 71 right now, 72 in Bedford, 78 degrees in Fitchburg. Yeah, you were one of those spots that hit 90 earlier today. Let me show you the wider view because it is lots cooler down to the Cape and the islands right now. Chatham and the Vineyard, you're likely going to be dealing with some patchy fog tonight as your temperature and dew point get real close. Plymouth and Providence hanging out in the 50s. You were a cool spot today. I'd say anywhere mainly from Providence toward Hartford, although Hartford was a very warm spot, but just south of Hartford to Providence to Plymouth was the cool area today. Anywhere to the north of that, 80s to near 90 degrees in some cases. Now, there are big changes about to happen tomorrow. Let me explain. First off, see these showers and thunderstorms off to our west? We're going to be eyeballing these because they are moving in our direction. Conceivably, we could see a little bit of shower activity first thing in the morning and then kind of a mostly cloudy day with some intervals of sunshine. That's not the front, though. That's not what's really going to change things into a cooler day, per se. But these showers may affect us during the morning hours. Most of the day is dry, however. Now we look further off to the west, and there's that cold front right here. This is the one that actually sinks south of the area during the course of tomorrow. If you're heading to the beaches, your best beach hours are going to be in the morning and midday hours. Once we get to about 1 or 2 o'clock, you folks up on Cape Ann, for example, Good Harbor Beach, down through Beverly, Manchester by the Sea, you're going to be dealing with some big changes in the afternoon as that colder air starts coming in real quick on you. If you're not prepared for it, it's going to catch you by surprise. Lots of 60s and 70s up and down the eastern seaboard right now. But look at this. It's 36 degrees in Marquette, Michigan right now, so you know there are some changes coming. Tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, 70s across the board. Mostly cloudy skies. The showers, any showers that we see should be getting out of here. A little cooler down the Cape in the 60s. You'll be warming into the 70s to near 80 tomorrow down the Cape. Now watch to the north. We're going to show you this cold front that starts to slip southward. This will be coming through just after noontime. We'll call it about 1 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once that cold front comes through, within about an hour or two, temperatures in Boston are going to go from about 81, 82, 83 degrees right down to about 66, 67 or so. Big changes coming to slap you in the face. So if you're out on Newbury Street or anything like that, you might want to carry a sweatshirt with you tomorrow afternoon. That's when those changes come. 70s still inland, 80s well down to the south, but everybody will be cooling off as we head into Monday, as those are when the changes come. So your high temperatures before the change tomorrow, well up into the 80s. Sutton about 87 degrees, 89 in Providence, 83 in Boston, 83 in Westminster, and Londonderry about 81. A little cooler up there because you'll be changing first. You'll see that cooler air starting to come in toward the midday hours around lunchtime. Let me take you to that 5-day forecast, and I'll show you what's happening. Again, the chance of a shower in the morning, then again a chance for showers or storms in the afternoon as that cooler air starts rushing in. Everybody cools down into the 70s for Monday. Then look at this. The heat's back on for Tuesday with highs back up to 87 degrees, more showers and storms, and then cooling off for good for Wednesday and Thursday. I'll see you again in final weather.
Okay, AJ, updating some breaking news on the campus at Boston University. Tonight,